Okay, here's my union, and it's split right across the center. So if I were to take this union out, I'd have to take the collar off, and then also replace all the piping. And let's see if we can show you, but above I've got a valve along with some 90-degree elbows and then additional pipe. And that's a lot to take out, and I don't want to replace that valve if I don't have to. So let's see what we can do. Here's my replacement set. I have some unions in there, O-rings, and new valves. But you can see I have to cut the whole thing off to replace it. And we don't want to do that. So, they make things called a split union. So they make what's known as a split union. And it comes like this. So you have your ring, but it comes apart. So you take your old ring off, you can put your new ring on, clamp it. But for Intellichlor, it doesn't fit. So the next best thing we can do is we can take a regular ring and we can cut a slice in it so we can spread it out over the old ring. So we can take this one off. We'll cut it off with our Dremel. Here we go. Salt cell out. Pull the one off. We'll slip the new one on. There we go. And we need a pipe clamp. Put that on. There we go. Clamp. So it's firm. Put it in place. We'll give it last tighten on the clamp. That in place and we're all set. Let's see if it works. there you go. We replaced the union. It's clamped in place with a pipe clamp, and we're good to go. Alright, hope this helps you out.